What's the meaning of aide? Aide. 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 The word aide is a noun that refers to a person who gives assistance or support to another person, typically in an official capacity. The term can be used to describe a variety of roles, such as a personal assistant, a military officer who serves as an assistant to a higher-ranking officer, or a political advisor who provides guidance to a politician. In general, an aide is someone who helps to make tasks easier for someone else. The term has a positive connotation and implies a helpful and supportive character.